As we know, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 launch event is nearing by. We can have a look into Samsung Galaxy S11, which is Samsung's next flagship. Consider subscribing to Tech Gadget now for all latest tech updates. Let's now explore the Galaxy S11. So Note 10 is codenamed as Davinci by Samsung, as it's expected to have an S Pen that could do a lot. Samsung has named the Galaxy S11 as Picasso. As we know, he is a great artist, so Samsung is pointing out that Samsung Galaxy S11 would have a great design. Recent tweet from iCinemas confirms this. Let's talk camera now. As we heard that Oppo and Xiaomi had teased their in-display camera technology recently, but these things are not close to perfect as the pictures taken using these cameras are not clear. It's still a limitation that companies like Samsung needs to figure out. Samsung Galaxy S11 won't have a under-display camera as it's not a perfect thing. We can expect the under-display camera phones by 2021 in major brands. This is also confirmed by some leakers as well. Let's talk specs now. As we know, Samsung Galaxy S10 came with the latest Snapdragon 855 in US markets and Exynos 9820 in European and Asian markets. Samsung Galaxy S11 will have the updated Snapdragon 865 and Exynos 9830. Both the chips are 7nm technology. S11 will have the latest UFS 3.0 storage, which will help it perform better as seen in OnePlus 7 and Galaxy Fold. Another update is that Samsung Galaxy S11 will come with DDR5 RAM support, which will greatly enhance the speed of the phone. This also will help with support of high resolution display and better graphic performance. Better cameras. Since Galaxy S7, Samsung has not updated its camera sensors. This time with Galaxy S11, there would be a change. Samsung will be trying out its new wider sensor, which will help to intake more light, giving more brighter pictures even in low light. There could be a 3 aperture camera included, with 1.4 and 1.8 and 2.4 aperture. Samsung Galaxy S11 will support 5 times optical zoom. It will be similar to zoom that we saw in Huawei P30 Pro devices. But firstly, Samsung is expected to try these cameras in Samsung Galaxy A series phone before trying them in their flagship devices. We will be covering more on Galaxy S11 in our future videos, so stay subscribed to Tech Gadget now for all future updates.